Welcome you to Village Herbs Clinic. Today we are going to learn herbal medicine or herbal plant that can cure hepatitis B without visiting the hospital. You can do it your own. My name is Dr. Herbal. I am the CEO of Village Herbs Clinic. Yeah, we have herbs that helps in viral treatment. I'm going to give you one common herb that you can use it at your home. If you are suffering from hepatitis B, you can do your viral load and you start. And within a month or two, you can go and compare where you are fresh. And this will prepare you to do more so that the virus will vanish from your system. I'm Dr. Herbal, the CEO of Village Herbs Clinic, Accra, Kumasi. Yes, the plant that I'm talking about is rosemary. Rosemary. Just rosemary, that is a spice that we put in our food, cures hepatitis B. And when you get rosemary, grind it to become powder. Take 1 teaspoon, pour in a cup, pour hot water on it. Do it twice in a day after meal. And within a month, go and check your viral load. You will see that the virus are depreciating at a faster rate. And rosemary, I'm telling you, cures hepatitis B. I want you to subscribe, like my videos, and leave your comment in the comment section for any assistance. Remember, like and share the video to others so they can also learn more. That Village Herbs, we are doing a very good education on this platform. Thank you.